Agents. Skills. Show? Show us your agent skills. What are people at the top of the game building with AI agents, and how are they doing it? Are they Claudemaxxing with 8 terminals open at once, or adversarially testing Opus 4.7 generated code with Codex? Do they define suites and swarms of subagents, or use agents markdown and agent skills? We are on a mission to find out. First on the roster are Wes McKinney, the creator of Pandas, Jeremiah Lowin from Prefect, and Hilary Mason of HiddenDoor, along with a few more surprise guests. Join us to find out what all these token maxers are doing. Think Excel World Championships meets Eurovision. See you all in the first episode.